Must be four-wheel drive in this class. Could be gas or diesel, either one. Doesn't matter. The biggest rule is no whining. Bring what you got and hope you brought it up. So run what you brought and hope you brought it up. Don't forget our concession stands are still open, and that sausage and steak still open on the inside with all the goodies to eat and drink, and with the lemonade slushies. And on the other side, of course, Grumpy's and everybody else out there is open. So we'll make sure you get out there, get in here on the pit side, get something to eat, something to drink. Please, fans, as you exit the pit area, please be very, very careful if you would, please. We have a lot of folks out here walking around yet tonight. Please, please, please. Headlights on and go slow. All right, John Sherman, Norwalk, Ohio, the 07 Chevrolet. Not too bad of a run for John. He's going to contact the team advisor, Jason Gentry, for more information. Experience the difference. Plant bets. All right, Nick winding it up. He dumps around and off he goes. A smoke roll in a Dodge comes down the track. Nick. Way to go, Nick. On a Plain City, the Thunderstruck truck, he's climbing at 2.6 to 3.0, and now they're running to Brian. And John is all done. We hope the truck is just fine, fans.